Okay, now let's take a look at how a on-demand dashboard can be used against a process historian. So I'm going to go back into the template library. This time I'm just going to select a basic trend chart template, one that allows me to pick up to 6 pens and display them on 6 mini charts. I'll call this one the historical trend report. We can also assign descriptions to these templates as well, which will appear in the web portal. Then we just select the connector, historian, and the method, on demand, and we're done. The library wizard will automatically launch the Windows client if we're on the XLReporter server. So it might be a good time to show you guys that. If I select the historical trend report template, I not only get the selection for the 6 pens, but also a start and end time period calendar control, which allows me to set a custom period for the report. So here I'll go back into my catalog, select 6 temperatures here, and then click refresh, and you can see the 6 charts are rendered here inside the client. I can pan, I can zoom in and out, and when I've honed in on an area of interest, I can save the report as a workbook or PDF, print it out, or email it out to configurable groups like machine operators, shift supervisors, and so on. Now let's take a look at this same report from the web client. If I open that back up, you can see that both of my templates appear now in the client. And if I go into historical trend, the selections that I made in the Windows client are retained, and I can refresh the report, and you can see it's rendered the same way in both clients. Now, one thing that we can do in the web client is we can see how this report would respond to being viewed on a mobile device. So if I shrink my browser back down and I go back into the same template, run it again, you can see the content's been rearranged from the 2x3 table to a single scrollable column. All of the fonts and display settings have been resized so they're easily viewable from a mobile device. Now, how does XLReporter do that? How is that designed in the template? Well, next we're going to take a look at the template studio, where I can show you exactly how to configure a responsive template.